Welcome to Startup Space. Today's video will teach you how to set up an account through Startup Space. First, register an account by going to startupspace.app/register. You will then land on this page where you simply fill out information, including first and last name, email address, password, and then adding your city so you can be added to the community nearest to you. Once you select register, you will be shown this screen asking you to enter a verification code sent to your email. Copy and paste the numbers from your email. From there, add those numbers to the verification code box. Note, make sure you have no spaces on either side of the numbers. From there, you land on the home page, and you should then select your default hub and edit your profile. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us at helpdesk@startupspace.app.